In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to utilize the Support Center in the Nasco Educate platform. To begin, you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your teacher account. Then go to the Support menu and click on Support Center. Now that you're here, you'll be able to see any tickets that you've created, including both open and closed tickets, and you'll be able to create new tickets via this button here. So to create a new ticket, click the Create Ticket button. To create a ticket, all you need to do is complete the required fields indicated by this little red asterisk to provide the Support Center team with enough information to help them answer any questions or assist in any issues you may be having. As you can see, these fields include the ticket center subject, the type of issue you're experiencing, the course if it is course related, and any particular material or content within that course if applicable. Finally, you can see the description area where you can provide additional details related to the issue or question that you have, if it relates to other users such as your students and so forth. As you can see here, there are some suggested popular articles that you can click on to view those articles within the Knowledge Center if it is applicable to your ticket center subject. So let's go ahead and complete these fields to create our ticket. Once you've completed the fields, go ahead and check the box for I understand and agree to the terms, then click the Create button. You can see that our new ticket has been created and we can see the status of that ticket directly from the Support Center here. If we want to find out additional details on that ticket, we can always go ahead and click on that link there. After creating your ticket, our Support Center team will receive a notification that you've submitted a ticket in the Support Center. They will go ahead and reply to your ticket, and you'll see any notifications or updates on that ticket via the Support Notifications icon up here. You'll see a little number indicating how many notifications you have regarding your support tickets. You can always check back or add additional details to your ticket by again going to Support and clicking on Support Center from the user menu. If you want to add additional details to your ticket or just check on it, you can click on the link itself to open up the ticket and add some additional information in the comment section and save that comment to the ticket itself. That is how you can create tickets and use the Support Center in Nasco Educate. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn how to utilize the Nasco Educate platform.